Hey y'all, what's going on? It's your girl Missnaturalshay, and I'm back for another video. Y'all already know how I do. Gotta spray. So if y'all ready to see what I got for y'all in this video, just keep right on watching. What is this? I got 6 boxes from Poshmark. We're about to unbox them and see what the heck I got in here. Like, boo, what are you doing? Hey y'all, so as y'all can see, I got 6 boxes. Boo, 6 boxes. Like, girl, sis, what you doing? And if y'all can tell by the title, they all came from Poshmark, boo. Like, I thought I was done shopping from the Bath & Body Works in my OLLIE'S, but of course I had to go on Poshmark to see some fragrances that I do not have, that were somewhere in the semi-annual sale, and then some were probably not in the semi-annual sale, and I was like, I still need them. So anywho, we about to go ahead and start unboxing these packages. And yeah, y'all, please give me a big thumbs up, like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Make sure we are chatting in the comments down below, because y'all know how I do. Comment back to all of you guys. Oh, in the past few days, I've been just steady getting packages from Poshmark, like, boo-boo. Let's just jump right into this one right here. Handy dandy scissors. Y'all know how I do. Slice and dice that thing. Uh-oh, boo-boo. I got me a candle, okay? That's the first thing I spot up in here. And guess what? She gave me the box too, okay? Thank you, boo. Okay, so this is a scent that I'm very excited to smell, because my girl, just Kayla Michelle, she gave me a lot of stuff. I didn't know I was getting all this. Oh, yes, I did. Yes, I did. Let me take that back. Yes, I did. But she packages very nicely. Oh, you know what? Boo boo. She got me a nice little card. Oh, I love it. Okay, y'all. All right, so this is so cute. Look. Oh, yes. Yes, Posher. I'm a Posher too. If y'all want to follow me on Poshmark, my name is @Missnaturalshay on Poshmark. This says, thanks, gracias, thank you, merci, much appreciated, so grateful. So cute. I do thank you cards as well. Oh, look at this. Okay, she said Sharon. For y'all that don't know, boo, my real name is Sharon. For y'all that don't know, boo, my name is Sharon. But of course, I go by Missnaturalshay. You can call me Sharon or Missnaturalshay or Shay, whatever. All right, so it says, Sharon, thank you so much for your purchases. I truly appreciate it. A bundle. Oh, I truly appreciated a bundle. Quotation marks. My apologies again for the mix-up. Glad I had suitable substitutes for you. I hope you love your new little black party dress and watermelon Bath & Body Works bundles. So cute. Love it. Thank you, girl. All right, so this is pink watermelon from the White Barn line. Y'all. Y'all know what? Thank you, boo. Thank you, sis. Love it. It smells so good. Pure watermelon. My Olay watermelon smells just like this. Like, yes. So can't wait to burn that. So with that came these goodies. I like how she packaged it in the gift bag. And I have the watermelon lemonade body cream, and I do not have this, so that's cool. And then I have the watermelon lemonade body gel, don't have this. And then I have the watermelon lemonade, and this is a gentle gel hand soap. I get the foam soap, but that's cool, got this. And I told her I wanted this one, which was the 1,000 Wishes, because she didn't have the hand cream that I wanted in the pink lemonade. So got that. Love me 1,000 Wishes, okay? So yeah, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and put some on, because y'all, I'm a little teeny tiny bit ashy. Little teeny tiny bit. So we're just gonna, I can smell it already. That, ow. Ooh, I just hurt my finger, y'all. Oh no. Okay, I'm just doing it too fast. Anyway, Oh, it smells good. Yes, watermelon lemonade. Ooh, I'm excited to put all that together. Then I got the little black party dress, because all I have in a little black party dress, if I'm not mistaken, is the body spray. So now I have a complete set, because I do like to have complete sets. So now I have the shower gel, hey boo, and I have the body lotion to go with my body spray. So yes. Oh, and she gave me a mask. I've actually used this mask before and it's cool. I like it. So it's the St. Ives Revitalizing Sheet Mask with acai, blueberry, and chia seed oil. And I have tried this before and I do like it. So thank you so much for the extra. That's one box down, 5 more to go. Let's get into the next box. So when I had seen this in my mailbox, I'm like, ooh, I didn't order nothing from Bath and Body Works. Slice and dice that thing, slice and dice that thing. Y'all already know. I'm so excited yet again because I don't remember what I purchased. And she packed it nice. She had some bubble wrap in there and some tissue paper. So let's see what I got, baby. Thank you, boo. Listening to my girl yet again. Hey, girl. She got me hunting down for these products. Coconut cream pie. Coconut cream pie. I can't wait to try this. I'm so excited because she did a review on it and I just know it smells good. Like, by what she done described it, honey boo boo, I got to do it. The fragrance notes is toasted coconut flakes, caramel custard, and golden pie crust. Like, what? Boo boo, I've been excited to try this. Can't wait. And we about to go in this thing, okay? Let me put it in the air too. Y'all know how I do. Oh yes. Let's see how I do on my body's chemistry. Let me just rub it in a little bit, just a little bit, you know. Hold on now. I think because I have the watermelon lemonade there. Okay, hold on. Let's just spray it down here. It do smell nice. It smells nice. It smells nice, y'all. It smells nice. Oh, I can't wait to try this. Of course, once I'm taking a nice fresh shower, there's no other scents on me because you already know I already have the strawberry pound cake on me for today. So I did do a short, and y'all need to check this out because I have the short says it's the berries for me. So I got these two. Can't wait to try them. And I actually did get the lotion, but it's in another packaging. All right, so the next set that I got is the raspberry jam donut. I was very curious about this. Its fragrance notes is wild raspberry jam, powdered sugar, and warm fluffy donut. Like, I want to just take a bite of the donut. The packaging is so cute. Like, it's the packaging for me. The coconut, it do smell good. The coconut cream pie do smell good. But I'm just gonna spread it right here. You know how I do. What? Hold on now. Yes, raspberry jam. I smell the raspberry jam with the fresh donut. Oh, y'all. You know what? Hold on now. Raspberry jam. Come through, boo. I like this. Yay! This raspberry jam donut, boo. Lotion and the spray. You know what? Let me spray the coconut cream pie one more time. Just one more time. This is more of a lighter scent. But that raspberry jam donut, this smells nice. But the raspberry jam donut, it hits you. Like, it'll hit you, pow, right in your face, okay? But this is a nice scent too. But it's a more mild scent. We done got 2 boxes down, 4 more to go. Let's get into this heavy one, this brick, okay? And this is how it's packed. Look at them. Yes, I can't wait. Oh yes. Oh yes. I'm excited, baby. Oh, and she put some cute little. Okay, thank you, boo. She put some nice treats up in here. She packaged everything really well. Everything really well. Thank you. I appreciate it, sis. Really well. I will shop from her again. Here's the rest of my stuff. Here's the rest of my stuff. Still have that. And then she gave me a little treat. Thank you. And she gave me, so she gave me both of these. Thank you. How did you know I like M&M's? And she put a note in here and said, thank you, Sharon. You are going to smell amazing. Hope you enjoy all your new body care. Sarah. Thank you, girl. I appreciate it. You know, the scent that I had on today for my lotion was strawberry soda. Well, I had to get a whole collection. Okay, here we go. Here we go. So yeah, yo, we about to smell it. I'm not gonna put it on. I got too much going on over here. So we about to spray. Nice. Yes. This is the same thing as the strawberry lotion. It smells good, y'all. It smells like a Fanta strawberry, y'all. And I love me some Fanta strawberry. Oh, I'm so excited to do all these together. Ooh, I'm excited. Yes, I need this in my life. And I'm trying new things, y'all. I'm trying new things. Trying to do, you know what I'm saying? Step out of my box a little bit. From the musk, the patchouli, the amber, the sandalwoods. You know. All right, so I got me the coconut pineapple. I know this thing is hitting. I just know it is. Like, I just know it's hitting. So I got the complete set. Body cream, shower gel, and the spray. Woo-wee. Let's go. Let's go. Oh my gosh, y'all. I love this. Now, the keynotes, the fragrance notes is what? Okay, here we go. Shaved coconut, fresh pineapple, and sugar cane. It smells good, y'all. This smells good. So if y'all can get your hands on it, if y'all already have it in your collection, let me know down below. Okay. This is what I got. I got the Portofino Pink Prosecco. Like, what? This is so cute. First of all, the packaging is beautiful. Now, the keynotes is wild pomegranate, sparkling pink Prosecco, soft jasmine, juicy nectarine, and white woods. You already know, white woods. I mean, woods, period. Okay, so, I can't wait, y'all. Let's get into the smell. Let me, ooh. Yes. It smells good, y'all. I wish y'all could smell it. Now, if y'all got this, y'all need to let me know. It smells good, y'all. Like, for real, for real. I can't wait to smell. I can't wait to smell. I can't wait to try this, y'all. Oh, yes. I'm excited for this. Like, I couldn't wait for it to come because I just was like, I want to smell it so bad. I never heard of it. Never even seen it. So, yeah, y'all. I'm excited for this one right here. Box number 3. And I got 3 more to go. Let's see what's in this thing right here. Oh, look. You know what? Wake up and makeup. Thank you, Sharon. Ain't this so... Oh, this is so cute. Period. Should I get it? Shouldn't I get it? And by the time I was like, yeah, I should get it. It was sold out. That's in my annual sale. Whipped vanilla chiffon. So the keynotes is wild vanilla bean, spun sugar, and white peach blossom. Oh, that smell. I mean, that sounds like it smells good. So we about to jump in this thing and smell it. Nice vanilla scent. That's the first thing I smell is vanilla. So this is a nice vanilla scent. It smells warm to me. Hold on. I smell mostly vanilla. I don't smell a peach right now. But I'm excited to try this all together. So now we're down to, got two more boxes. It's almost like it's a sub. I just got me a backup. Good thing it smells good. I got the same exact thing, y'all. The same exact thing. And it's okay because it's going to be a backup. The shower gel and the spray. So actually, I got 2 sets and didn't even realize it until it was too late. And she told me it was on. I was like, can we cancel this? And she was like, girl, I done already shipped that thing out. And I was like, okay, sis. But anyway, got me a backup. So that's cool. Yes. All right. Yo, we down to the last box. Uh-oh, she got it. Okay. Thank you, sis. Okay. That's what I'm talking about. When they put it in the bags. It's the bags for me. So she did a nice card. And it says, thank you. This is so cute. I love when people do this. Like, this means that they are genuinely thankful that you are purchasing from them. Here's a cute little card. And it says, thank you for your order. I hope you enjoy the Bath & Body Works items. So cute. I might have to transfer this because it's leaking. But it's okay. I'll figure it out. I might have to transfer it to another bottle. I got the fresh coconut snowball. And I love fresh coconut snowball, y'all. So yeah, y'all, we got this. And it says fresh coconut, North Pole, vanilla, winter, freesia, snow, kiss, woods, and spun sugar. So we just gonna get into the scent. I already know it smells good because I already had it before. I just needed me a backup, okay? That smells really good. And I got my lotion. And it's been around for a long time, but I ain't ever had it. And I'm so glad I'm able to get it this time, which is the Vanilla Bean Noel. Like, I know this is hyped up a lot, and I know it's a fave from a lot of people. Say the notes, which is fresh vanilla, bean, sugar cookies, warm caramel, whipped cream, and snow kiss musk. Sounds good to me. Let's see what it smells like. I can smell the musk. And the vanilla, it smells good, y'all. Okay. So I'm excited, y'all. I'm excited. Now, boo-boo, who thought I would be getting all this stuff? All right, y'all. So we have come to the end of my Poshmark haul. I hope y'all enjoyed it. I can't believe all these goodies I got. I'm so excited to try more new products. Yeah, guys, so make sure y'all give me a big thumbs up. Please like, share, subscribe. Thank you to all the new subbies that I'm receiving on a daily basis. Thank you for the people that's been rocking with me since day one. And of course, they jumped on later on. It don't matter. I love all of you guys. And just, if y'all don't got any of these products, y'all have it in your collection, just let me know down in the comments so we can chit chat. Y'all already know how it go. And I love you guys for watching. I'll catch y'all in my next video. I love you guys. Peace.